The foundation of every round begins here. Tons of brass, copper, and lead arrive daily, meticulously inspected and logged into inventory before a single bullet is formed. In climate-controlled bays, sensitive propellants and lead ingots are handled with extreme care. Every batch is scanned, sealed, and stored under strict safety protocols. Before production, science takes over. Technicians analyze metal composition and powder burn rates, ensuring every raw material meets military-grade specifications. Inside high-heat furnaces, solid lead ingots transform into glowing molten metal. Automated systems maintain precise temperatures for consistent purity. Molten lead is forced through precision dies, emerging as continuous wire. Cooling baths hiss with steam as the metal solidifies onto massive spools. High-speed transfer presses punch thousands of brass cups per minute. This is the birth of the cartridge case, stamped from continuous coils of metal. Cases glide through induction furnaces, glowing orange as heat rearranges their molecular structure. Annealing prepares the brass for extreme forming without cracking. In progressive dies, each cup is pushed and stretched. With every station, the case grows longer, taking its first recognizable shape. A second drawing process refines the shape, creating the tapered walls essential for reliable chambering. Precision is measured in thousandths of an inch. The case base is formed and stamped in one operation. Caliber and manufacturer marks are impressed permanently into solid brass. Rotary trimmers skim case mouths to exact length. Golden brass shavings are vacuumed away, leaving perfectly uniform cases ready for priming. Tumbling drums polish and clean thousands of cases simultaneously. Ceramic media smooths rough edges, restoring brilliant shine to the brass. Precision tools form primer pockets to exact depth. Every case is checked automatically, ensuring consistent ignition for every round. High-speed cameras scan every angle. Advanced software rejects even microscopic flaws, allowing only perfect cases to continue down the line. Tiny primer cups are punched from thin brass strip. Though smaller than a pencil eraser, their precision is absolutely critical. In secure clean rooms, sensitive compounds are mixed and granulated. Automated systems form uniform primer pellets under strict safety containment. Micro-assembly machines place anvils into cups, add sealant, and insert pellets. Complete primers emerge in a blur of mechanical precision. Empty cases meet fresh primers on rotating machines. With controlled pressure, primers are seated flush, ready to receive propellant. Powder measures dispense exact charges into each case. Static eliminators hum quietly, ensuring safe, consistent.
Underfilled or overfilled rounds are rejected automatically, maintaining absolute safety. Lead wire is cut and cold formed into bullet shapes. Thousands per minute drop onto conveyors, ready for jacketing or lubrication. Lead cores are wrapped in copper cups. Massive swaging presses bond jacket to core, creating the iconic full metal jacket projectile. For exposed lead bullets, lubricant fills the cannulars. Even application prevents fouling and ensures consistent barrel performance. Charged cases and finished bullets converge. Pick-and-place arms seat each bullet, and crimping secures it forever. The complete round is born. Optical scanners examine every millimeter of every round. Length, crimp, and alignment are verified at production speed. Random samples enter X-ray chambers. Technicians inspect internal structure, confirming powder distribution and core seating beyond what eyes can see. Statistical samples are pulled from every batch. These rounds head to the ballistics lab for final performance validation. In soundproofed ranges, test rounds fire over chronographs. Velocity data confirms each batch meets specifications. Instrumented barrels measure chamber pressure with every shot. Oscilloscopes display precise curves, verifying safe operation. Counting machines precisely group rounds. 50 at a time, they're swept into trays, ready for boxing. Flat cardboard blanks fold into boxes automatically. Empty cartons parade down the line, perfectly timed to meet incoming ammunition. Robotic arms gently lower filled trays into waiting boxes. The marriage of product and packaging happens smoothly, without interruption. Labels apply automatically as boxes pass beneath high-speed heads. Every box receives precise identification before proceeding. Individual boxes group into master cartons. Robotic packers stack them neatly, preparing for warehouse storage. Towering robotic arms build pallets layer by layer. Each carton is placed with mathematical precision for stable transport.
Rotating rings apply plastic film around completed pallets. Secure wrapping protects the load through its entire journey. Driverless vehicles glide silently across the factory floor. They transport finished pallets to the automated warehouse without human intervention. Stacker cranes ascend into darkness, placing pallets in towering racks. The warehouse operates continuously, storing millions of rounds. From control rooms, specialists monitor digital inventory. Every pallet is tracked in real time, ready for instant retrieval. Orders trigger synchronized retrieval. Multiple cranes work in harmony, delivering exact pallets to consolidation points. Trucks back into loading bays with precision. Pallets queue on conveyors, staged and ready for departure. Electric pallet jacks move loads smoothly from dock to trailer. Every pallet is positioned for maximum space utilization. Cargo straps and dunnage bags secure every pallet. Loads are braced against movement, ensuring safe transport. Doors close, seals apply, and trucks roll out. The factory's output begins its journey to distributors nationwide. At regional warehouses, shipments are scanned and verified. The seamless transfer of goods continues through the supply chain. High-lift forklifts navigate narrow aisles. Orders are picked electronically, consolidating mixed products for retail delivery. Smaller trucks make final deliveries to retail locations. Store employees verify manifests and accept shipments. Behind locked counters, employees stock fresh ammunition. Boxes are arranged by caliber, ready for customer selection. Barcode scanners register the final transaction. The long industrial journey concludes at the point of sale. At ranges across America, shooters load the finished product. From raw earth to firing line, the cycle is complete.
Upon receiving a shipping order, the automated warehouse springs into action. Stacker cranes retrieve requested pallets, delivering them to arrange the pallets in the correct order, arriving just in time.
Straps coming tight now. Good tension. Now for the dunnage. That'll hold it steady. Backing in now. Stand clear. Seal intact. Scanning barcode. Confirmed. Seal verified. Order received, picking 556, 9mm, and 308. Pallets located, retrieving now. Delivery to packing area complete. Morning. Let's see the manifest. Here you go. 10 boxes of 9mm and 5 of 556. Looks right. Sign here. All set. Confirmed. Thanks. Order received, retrieving now. Pallets secured, moving to shipping.